Well, you know, tradition is a wonderful thing, and just look in here. Oh my goodness, it's almost all gone. This is a pot of moose stew, or is it moose soup? Moose. Okay, we had to add some water. It's moose soup, and this is like a traditional event. We come up here every year, and we're very happy to do that. Kind of a nice way to kick off the fall. We're at the Children's Garden in Pippy Park. And they've had a very successful children's gardening program this year. The Friends of Pippy Park put this on every year. And the parents get involved, and lots of people get involved. It's a nice thing to do. It's nice to teach children about gardening, isn't it? And they've had a bumper crop here this year. They've had some fantastic sunflowers, some of the tallest I've ever seen, but also some wonderful vegetables. I want to show you some. There's one of the sunflowers right there. Isn't that nice? And what do we have here? We've got spaghetti squash and onions, and lots of nice flowers like marigolds and nasturtiums, and more spaghetti squash. And look at these zucchini. They're real giant ones. And we've got pumpkin and potatoes, red and blue potatoes, and green beans, all kinds of vegetables, and they all look absolutely wonderful. And these are some of the youngsters who are responsible for all of this produce we have displayed on the show tonight. They've done a great job. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, how did you enjoy this program this summer? Was it a lot of fun?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have any help with the gardening here?
Yeah, I had some help with Beth. Beth helped me.
From Beth?
Yeah.
Who was Beth?
Beth is...
She I think, was she one of the students?
No, she's a teacher here.
Oh, she's a teacher. Okay, well, that's nice. And what's your name?
Jennifer.
And tell me, what is your favorite vegetable?
Carrots.
Carrots? And did you taste some of these carrots you grew here this year?
No.
No? Not yet. So, is it easy to grow vegetables?
Yeah.
Do you have any problems with bugs? Do bugs eat any of the vegetables?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your name?
Sarah.
And tell me, what did you grow here this year?
Lettuce, carrots, zucchini, flowers, nasturtiums, peas, and beans.
You were really busy. So, what's your name?
Juliet.
And Juliet, did you have a good time here this year?
Yes.
So do you think now that you might want to do some gardening at home next year, maybe?
Yes.
That's good. Okay. Well, thank you all very much, and congratulations on doing a really good job here again this year. It was great. Well, there you go. Our annual visit to the Pippy Park Children's Garden complete for another year, and we'll be back on the air again tomorrow night. But tomorrow, we're going to come to you from the big land. Happy Valley Goose Bay is where we'll be broadcasting from tomorrow evening. We're going up there for the rest of the week, so tune in for that.